Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add certificates to your LinkedIn profile. And this is quite simple. So first click on your profile picture left in the top and then click on it again. Then from here we click on add section, and right now if you scroll down to recommended, you have here the option to click on add licenses and certifications. Then from here we need to fill in the name. So let's say High School of Amsterdam. All right, it's fine. Your issuing organization. So let's say Amsterdam University. Now the issue date. So I started in 2022. Then I ended up in 2024. Now fill in the credential ID. Now maybe an URL if you want to, but after this you can also add a skill. So let's say I learned here to work with Adobe Photoshop and I learned here some financial analysis, then do done. Then you can also add media if you want to. So that means that you can maybe upload your certificate if you want to. And after that we click on save. And right now people can see that we just added a new certification. So right now, if you want to post that, now we can do next, but I want to skip this. And right now we just added a new certification. All right, this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.